Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your Samsung phone and do a factory reset in two different ways on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. The first way is by going into your setting. Once you go to your setting, you're going to want to go down to option for general management. And from general management, scroll down a little bit further and look for reset. And once you get to reset here, we're going to go down a little bit further. You should see an option that says factory data reset. Now with the factory data reset, it will basically delete everything off your phone. Like all of the accounts that are logged in will get signed out, and any apps you downloaded, photos, videos will all get removed. So it just shows you accounts and then apps, and then you'll hit on reset, and then you need to enter your passcode or PIN to continue. And then before you do this, as you can see here, we'll delete everything. So good thing before you do this is backing up your device first, or transfer everything over to a new phone if you're transferring it before you do this step. So you click on delete. So that's going to be one way to do it. Another way is, let's say you can't get to the menu or the phone is locked out and you still want to do a factory reset. There's also another way to do it, which is going to be using first, you're going to hold down volume down and the power or a side button at the same time until the screen goes completely black. So you're going to go ahead and hold on volume down and the side button, and then switch over to the volume up and that side button. So we're going to switch over here, and I'm going to wait for this recovery menu that will come up as I'm holding the volume up and the side button. And takes, as you can see here, some time, sometimes 30 seconds, even a minute. Just keep on holding it. And then you get into this menu. As you can see here, this menu. We get into this menu, and then all you need to do is use volume, this option volume down, to find the wipe data and factory reset. And then you're going to click the power or the side button here, and that will begin to delete everything on your Samsung phone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.